In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom to Hubspot in just a few easy steps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have seamlessly integrated these two powerful tools, making your business operations smoother and more efficient. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate over to the Hubspot website. This is your starting point where all the magic happens. Once you're on Hubspot's homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. It's time to access your Hubspot account, so go ahead and enter your credentials. If you're new to HubSpot, you might want to sign up first, but for today, we'll assume you already have an account. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. This is the central hub for all your business tools, and from here, we'll navigate to the right section to set everything up. Now look for the trial guide link. Clicking on this option will guide you to a series of helpful resources and tools designed to get you started with HubSpot's features. At the top of the trial guide page, you'll see a menu. Click on the Apps section. This is the place where you can explore various integrations that HubSpot offers to enhance your workflow. With the Apps section in view, head to the search bar and type in Zoom. This efficient search function makes finding the Zoom integration a breeze, saving you time and effort. Once the search results pop up, look for the Zoom app listing. Clicking on this will bring you to the detailed page dedicated to the Zoom integration with HubSpot. It's important to read through the features and any additional information provided to get a good understanding of what this integration can do for your business. Now we're getting to the final step. With the Zoom page open, the next thing you'll see is the Install App button. Click on it. HubSpot will walk you through the installation process, prompting you to authorize the connection between your Zoom account and your HubSpot portal. Ensure that you're logged into your Zoom account so the integration can be completed seamlessly. And that's it, you've successfully connected Zoom to HubSpot. This integration will now allow you to streamline meeting scheduling, manage webinar registrations, and keep all your communication data in one place. It's a fantastic way to increase efficiency and organization within your business. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy connecting!